Welcome to Dave's Cooking Show, and for you today we have Grandma's Buttermilk Cornbread. First thing you want to do is start off with a half a cup of butter and about 2/3 of a cup of sugar, and you're basically going to want to mix them for about a minute or so until they're basically creamed together. Next thing we want to add is a cup of buttermilk. Remember, this is baking, so you do have to be a little bit more precise than if you're cooking. If you're cooking, you can save it. If it's baking, you're fucked. Then you want to add a half a teaspoon of baking soda, and you want to mix that around till that's all well and incorporated. Make sure you get yourself a beer from the fridge. Then you want to add a cup of cornmeal, a cup of flour, 2 eggs, and a half a teaspoon of salt. And then basically you want to mix this around until everything is mixed together. Take a couple of minutes. Okay, so into a pan, you want to add your dough, and then if you want to be specific, it's an 8x8 pan. You want to have your oven preheated to 375 degrees and bake for 30 to 40 minutes or until you can put a knife in the middle of it, bring it out, and nothing is on the knife. Because again, different altitudes, different cooking times. So basically just put this in a pan, smooth it out as best you can, pop it in the oven, and 30 to 40 minutes later, you should be good. And 30 to 40 minutes later, we got a little piece of that. That's what you're looking for. And that's Grandma's cornbread. Done.